This is what I live for.
I know.
It's BNSF. Yay! Okay, here we go. We're gonna try and increase our range. Oh, missed it. Now we're back. It's the coal train. Coal train.
Yep.
Awesome. Long one. So I guess it's supposed to start raining tomorrow.
What?
I think it's supposed to start raining tomorrow.
I hope not. I got a concert to go tomorrow night.
That's what I keep hearing about. This has just been about the nicest night we've had in a long time.
Yeah.
And we've had some nice ones too. But this one is balmy and warm.
Yep.
Yeah, I thought that cold, the cold I had was going to kill me, and all it was a cold. There wasn't anything fancy, no fancy COVID, no nothing. Just
Yes, Jen's wife got it. Yeah, she got it, partner. Yeah, she's been isolated for like 5 days, no symptoms whatsoever anymore, but she's still feeling like garbage. Like, I think I'm going to take my son and we're going to have a trailer. We're going to go up to Fernie and hang out with my dad for a couple more days. So he and I were supposed to meet this week and go over his stuff, because he's all stressed out. He's like, did I really commit to that? I have to learn
all right. So I just went over